Dear students, in this session we are going to continue solving previously asked problems. Given b plus c by 11 equal to c plus c by 12 equal to a plus by 13. For a triangle ABC, with usual notation, if cos A by alpha by equal to cos B by beta equal to cos C by gamma, then the order triad alpha comma beta comma gamma has a value 19, 7, 25, 5, 12, 13. Option C 7, 19, 25. Option D 3, 4, 5. B plus by 11 equal to C plus A by 12 equal to A plus B by 13 equal to T, which implies B plus C equal to 11T, C plus A equal to 12T, A plus B equal to 13T. B plus C equal to 11T, which implies B equal to 11T minus C. You take this one, A plus B equal to 13T, A plus 11T minus C equal to 13T. But from this, C plus A equal to 12T, C equal to 12T minus A. Therefore, A plus 11T minus 12T minus A equal to 13T. A plus 11T minus 12T plus A equal to 13T. 2A minus T equal to 13T. 2A equal to 14T. A equal to 7T. A equal to 70 implies C equal to 12T minus A, that is 12T minus 70, that is 5T. So C equal to 5T. B equal to 11T minus C, which implies 11T minus 5T, that is 60. So A equal to 70, B equal to 60, C equal to 5t. So A equal to 70, B equal to 60, C equal to 5t. Cos A equal to B squared plus C squared minus A squared by 2BC. 60 the whole squared, 5t whole squared minus 70 whole squared by B, that is 60, C, that is 5t. 36 t squared plus 25 t squared minus 49 t squared divided by 30 t squared. 61 t squared minus 49 t squared divided by 30 t squared. 12 t squared by 30 t squared. That is 2 by 5. Sorry, here we have 60 t squared. 2 into 5, 10 into 6, 60 t squared. So 1 by 5. So cos A equal to 1 by 5. Next, find cos B. C squared plus A squared minus B squared by 2CA. So 25 t squared plus 49 t squared minus B squared 36 t squared divided by CA, that is 70. 74 t squared minus 36 t squared 70 t squared, that is 38 t squared by 72 squared, 19 by 35. So cos B equal to 19 by 35. Cos C equal to A square plus C square minus C square divided by 2AB. 70 whole square 49 t squared, 36 t square minus 25 t square divided by 2 into 70 into 60. 85 t squared minus 25 t squared, 84 t squared equal to 60 t square by 84 t square 5 by 7. Cos C equal to 5 by 7. Cos A by alpha, cos B by beta, cos C by gamma, which implies 1 by 5 by alpha, 19 by 35 by beta, 5 by 7 by gamma. 1 by 5 alpha, 19 by 35 beta, 5 by 7 gamma. 7 by 35 alpha, 19 by 35 beta, 25 by 35 gamma. Multiply by 35 throughout. 7 by alpha equal to 19 by beta equal to 25 by gamma. Taking reciprocal alpha by 7, beta by 19, gamma by 25. Which implies alpha is to beta is to gamma equal to 7 is to 19 is to 25. That is alpha comma beta comma gamma equal to 7 comma 19 comma 25. The maximum value of the expression three cos theta plus 5 sin theta minus pi by 6 for any real value of theta is root center by 2, root 31, root 34, root 19. Three cos theta plus 5 sin theta minus pi by 6. 3 cos theta, find the sin A minus form, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. 3 cos theta plus 5 into sin theta into root 3 by 2 minus cos theta into 1 by 2. 3 cos theta plus 5 root 3 by 2 sin theta minus 5 by 2 cos theta. That is, if you add 3 cos theta with 5 by 2 cos theta, 1 by 2 cos theta plus 5 root 3 by 2 sin theta. Minus root of a square plus b square less than equal to a cos theta plus b sin theta less than equal to root of a square plus b square. We have this formula. Using this, maximum value for theta is equal to root of 1 by 2 whole squared plus 5 root 3 by 2 whole squared. One by 4, 75 by 4. Equal 19. Root 19. So option D is correct. If sin per 4 alpha plus 4 cos per 4 beta plus 2 equal to 4 root 2 sin alpha cos beta, alpha comma beta belongs to 0 comma pi, then cos alpha plus beta minus cos alpha minus beta is equal to minus 1, 0, root 2 minus root 2. Sin per 4 alpha 4 cos per 4 beta plus 2 equal to 4 root 2 sin alpha cos beta. This can be rearranged as sin per 4 alpha plus 4 per cos per 4 beta plus 1 plus 1 equal to 4 root 2 sin alpha cos beta. We know that AM is greater than or equal to GM. 1, 2, 3, 4 times I take. So which implies sin per 4 alpha plus 4 cos per 4 beta plus 1 divided by 4 greater than equal to sin per 4 alpha into 4 cos per 4 beta into 1 whole per 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Okay. This is given sum. Okay. Next one, which implies sin per 4 alpha plus 4 cos per 4 beta plus 2 greater than equal to, bring 4 this side, 4 into, this can be written as root 2 power 4 power 1 by 4, then sin alpha, then cos beta. If we take 4th root, sin alpha, here cos beta. Four root 2 sin alpha into cos beta. By cosine, sin per 4 alpha plus 4 cos per 4 beta plus 2 equal to 4 root 2 sin alpha cos beta. From this, sin per 4 alpha plus 4 cos beta plus 1 divided by 4 equal to root 2 sin alpha cos beta, root 2 power 4 cos power 4 beta power 1 by 4. That is sin per 4 alpha to 4 cos per 4 beta into 1 by 4. So from this, AM is equal to GM. which means all the terms should be equal to, comparing on both sides, all the terms should be equal to 1, which means sin power 4 alpha equal to 1 equal to 4 cos power 4 beta. This will be 1, this is be equal to 1, whole value 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 also equal to 1 by 4, answer 1 equal to 1, which means sin alpha equal to 1, cos power 4 beta equal to 1 by 4, cos beta equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2. Sin beta equal to 1 minus cos squared beta, 1 minus half, that is 1 by root 2. So alpha comma beta belongs to 0 comma pi. Sorry, we don't take minus. Need cos alpha plus beta minus cos alpha minus beta, that is equal to minus 2 sin alpha into sin beta. Minus 2 into 1 into 1 by root 2. Equal to minus root 2. Option D is correct. The angle of elevation of a cloud from a point P, which is (25 meters) above and the angle of depression of reflection of the cloud in the lake from PB 60 degree. Then the height of the cloud, in meters. From the surface of the lake is 50, 45, 60, D42. So there is a lake. Let the cloud be at the point A. So lake level. Above lake 25 meter. This is also 25 meter. From the point B observing, the angle of elevation is 30 degree. This is 60 degree. C. Let the distance be y. This will be, let the distance be x, AB equal to x. So that this portion should be x plus 25. In triangle PAB, turn 30 equal to opposite by adjacent, that is x by y. 1 by root 3 equal to x by y, which implies y equal to x root 3. So y equal to x root 3 on result. Further, in triangle PBC, tan 60 degree equal to BC by AB. That is this portion 25 plus x plus 25 divided by BB, that is y. This is root 3. Root 3y equal to x plus 50. We know that y equal to x root 3. Root 3 into x root 3 equal to x plus 50. Since y equal to x root 3. Three x equal to x plus 50. 2x equal to 50. X equal to 25. height of the cloud from the surface of the lake is 25 meter. Surface lake is 25 plus 25, 50 meter. Above the lake 25 plus x 25, 25 plus 25, 50 meter. If cos alpha plus beta equal to 3 by 5, sin alpha minus beta equal to 5 by 13, and 0 less than alpha comma beta less than pi by 4, then tan 2 alpha is equal to option A 63 by 52, option B 20 by 16, option C 63 by 16, option D 33 by 52. Cos alpha plus beta equal to 3 by 5. 3, 5. Therefore, this should be 4, which implies tan alpha plus beta equal to 4 by 3. Sin alpha minus beta equal to 5 by 13. Sin 5 here, 13. Obviously, this should be 12. Let's say tan alpha minus beta equal to 5 by 12. So, tan alpha plus beta equal to 4 by 3. Tan alpha minus beta equal to 5 by 12. Tan 2 alpha equal to tan alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta. Tan alpha plus beta plus tan alpha minus beta divided by 1 minus tan alpha plus beta into tan alpha minus beta. So, equal to 4 by 3 plus 5 by 12, 1 minus 4 by 3 into 5 by 12 equal to, if you take 12 as LCM, 16 plus 5 divided by 1 minus, if you cancel, you get 3, 5 by 9. (21 by 12), that is by 4 by 9. 21 by 12 into 9 by 4. So 3 times 3, 4 times. 63 by 16. So option C is correct. If lengths of the sides of a triangle are in AP and greatest angle is double the smallest, then a ratio of lengths of sides this triangle is 4:5:6. 5:9:13. 3:4:5. 5:6:7. Let A comma B comma C be the lengths of sides of the triangle ABC. Useful notations. In triangle A, this is A, B, very small side C. Let's A is less than B less than C. So greatest length which have greatest angle, which means the angle C is equal to twice the lowest angle, twice angle A. Applying sine on both sides, sin C equal to sin 2A. Sin C equal to 2 sin A cos A. Sin C by sin A equal to 2 cos C. Sin A by E equal to sin C by C, which implies C by A equal to sin C by sin A, which implies C by A equal to twice cos C, B squared plus C squared, B squared plus A squared minus C squared plus 2AB, 2 cos A, so that B squared plus C squared minus A squared equal to 2 BC, which implies B squared C squared BC squared equal to A into B squared plus C squared minus A squared. A less than B less than C implies A equal to B minus lambda, C equal to B plus lambda, where lambda is positively greater than 0. So which implies in place of C, B plus lambda whole squared that is B minus lambda B squared plus C squared B plus lambda whole squared minus A squared B minus lambda whole squared. B into B plus lambda whole squared equal to B minus lambda B squared. We know that A plus whole square minus A minus B whole square equal to A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square equal to 4AB. So therefore 4B lambda. B squared B into B squared plus 2B lambda plus lambda squared equal to B minus lambda into B squared plus 4B lambda. B cubed 2B squared lambda B lambda squared equal to B cubed 4B squared lambda minus B squared lambda minus 4B lambda squared. We can cancel b cubed. B cubed. B lambda squared, bring this value this side, plus 4b lambda squared. 4b lambda minus b square lambda, 3 b square lambda minus 2 b square lambda. Five b lambda square equal to b square lambda. B not equal to 0, which implies 5 lambda square equal to b lambda. Lambda also not equal to 0, which means 5 lambda equal to b. Lambda equal to b by 5. A equal to b minus lambda. B minus b by 5. That is 4b by 5. C equal to b plus lambda. B plus b by 5. 6b by 5. Therefore, A is to B is to C equal to 4b by 5 is to B is to 6b by 5. 4b is 5b equal to 6b. Four is to 5 is to 6. So option A is correct. Next sum. Two vertical poles of heights 20 meter and 80 meter stand apart on a horizontal plane. The height in meters the point of intersection of the lines joining The top of the each pole to the foot of the other from this horizontal plane is so these are the given options. There are two poles AB and CD. One is of length, height 80 meter, another is 20 meter. This is the point of intersection joining top to the foot of the other. EF. Let it be H. This is X1, this is X2. Let AB and CD two vertical poles of height 20 meter and 80 meter. Let this is X1, FD equal to X2. And triangle EFB, triangle EFB, CDB, B is common, this angle is 90 degree. Therefore, angle F equal to angle D equal to 90. Angle B is common. So, triangle EFB similar to triangle CDB. So, proportional. Therefore, H by 80 equal to X1 by X1 plus X2. The same sense triangle EFD and ABD, triangle ABD are similar. D is the common angle, these two are 90 degree. You see angle similarity, they are similar triangles. So, H by 20 equal to X2 by X1 plus x2. This is 2. From 1, h by x1 equal to or h by 80 x1 equal to 1 by x1 plus x2. From 2, h by 20 x2 equal to 1 by x1 plus x2. So these two are equal. H by 80 x1 equal to h by 20 x2. 80 x1 equal to 20 x2. 4 x1 equal to x2. So h by 80 equal to x1 by x1 plus x2. So from this h by 80 equal to x1 by x1 plus, in place of x2 we can write 4x1 using this. So h by 80 equal to x1 by 5x1. This will be cancelled. H equal to 80 by 5. H equal to 16 meter. This is the required height. The value of cos square 10 minus cos 10 cos 50 cos square 50 is option A 3 by 4 plus cos 20, option B 3 by 2, 1 plus cos 20, option C 3 by 4, option D 3 by 2. Cos square 10 degree minus cos 10 degree cos 50 degree plus cos square 50 degree. We know that cos square A equal to 1 plus cos 2A by 2. 1 plus cos 2 into by 2 minus cos A cos B 1 by 2 cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So 1 by 2 cos A plus B, that is 60, cos A minus, that is AB. Take large angle as AB. Plus 1 by 1 plus cos 2A cos 100 by 2. Throughout taking 1 by 2 in common, 1 by 2 into 1 plus cos 20 degree minus 1 by 2 cos 60 1 by 2 minus cos 40 plus 1 plus cos 100. 1 plus 1 2. 2 minus half 3 by 2 cos 20 plus cos 100 minus cos 40. 1 by 2 3 by 2 cos 20 cos C minus cos D. Three by 2 plus cos 20 cos C minus cos D minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 100 plus 40 by 2 sin 100 minus 40 by 2 1 by 2 3 by 2 plus cos 20 minus 2 sin 70 into sin 30. 1 by 2 3 by 2 plus cos 20 minus 2 sin 70 into 1 by 2. This will be cancelled. 1 by 2 3 by 2 plus cos 90 minus 20 calculated as cos 90 minus 70 minus sin 70. 1 by 2 3 by 2 plus sin 70 minus sin 70. 1 by 2 into 3 by 2. That is 3 by 4. So option C is correct. Dear students, with this we can stop this chapter, but you are going to revise all kind of formula, then only you will be better person to answer questions. The next session we will start new chapter. Thank you.